Boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, and we have TATE MCRAE here with a song called She's All I Wanna Be. So we have 4 chords, just 1 chord progression through the entire song, so that is great. So let's start right away, no need for any capo, and we have the first chord here with the D minor, so that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. E minor. We have this A sharp. So you need to bar the 1st fret here from the A string and down. So that means 5 strings here. And the rest will be 3rd on D, 3rd on G, 3rd on B. And that is the full chord. When I play it, I usually play like this. So I skip the 3rd on the B string, and that works in that cases where you don't need to make full downstrokes, okay? And for this song that works, so that's how I'm gonna use the A sharp. Right, so the next chord will be F. So you need to still bar the 1st fret here, this time all strings. And the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Then we have the C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so that is the chord progression for this song. We have 2 different strumming patterns to handle here. So let's start with the first one. We can go for the D minor, since that is the 1st chord. And the strumming pattern will be like this. Okay, so that is basically 8 downs, but you want to emphasize 3 of them, so you get this certain rhythm for this strumming. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so on the 1st, the 4th, and the 7th, you want to make a little bit emphasize there. You can do that when you make a larger or bigger downstroke like this. So I'm just chewing a little bit on the string, the D string, when I'm playing the other ones, but when I come to the 1st, 4th, and 7th, I make a little bit fuller downstroke, so in that way you can emphasize the downs there. So it's important for the song, since you want to have this kind of feeling. So so on. All right, so what you're gonna do here, you're gonna start with 2 times 2 strumming rounds for each chord. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for each chord. And then you're gonna shift. So D minor, A sharp, F, and C. And you're gonna start with 1 round for the intro. And after this round comes the verse. So for the verse, you're gonna go for 2 chord progression rounds. So D minor 2 times, then A sharp 2 times, F 2 times, and C 2 times. That you're gonna play for 2 rounds, and that will cover the first verse. Then we are at the first pre-chorus. If you say she's nothing to worry about, that's where we are in the lyrics. You're gonna go with the same strumming there for another round. So 1 round of that in the same way as you play the verse. And that takes us to the first chorus. Here you're gonna change the strumming. It will go more with the beat in the song, so to speak. So that will be just down, up, down, up. Okay, so still the same chords. So if we look at the D minor, it will be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you want to emphasize the second down there. So down, up, down, up. So 1 round is right. So like this. All right. So now instead you're gonna do 4 strumming rounds for each chord. So that means 4 D minors, 4 C's, sorry, 4 A sharps, 4 F's, and 4 C's. So that is 1 chord progression, and you will do that for 3 rounds, and that will cover the first chorus. All right, so the next verse, it will be played in the same way as the first verse there, so nothing changes there. And the same goes for next pre-chorus. And yeah, it's actually the same there with the second chorus as well, so there's not that much new to this one. After this second post-chorus, sorry, we have a post-chorus, and you will play the same pattern there, this down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, all right? And you will do that for 1 round. So it's a post-chorus right after the second one. And that will follow by this final chorus, the third chorus. For the first round there, you will do, for the first chord progression round, you will do the downs there. So 8 downs for each chord times 2. So this one. Okay, so you will do that for the first round, and for the 2 final chord progression rounds in this chorus, you will go with the down, up, down, up. And that is how this song ends from Tate McRae, She's All I Wanna Be. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. See you soon, and don't forget, play tuned.